One project was the improvement of RAIN terrain platform, simplify procedures, and provide intelligent information. About the challenge was being in charge of leading product team and coordinate with Scrum Master, function, and data analyst, dependency with product leaders too for small and medium businesses in 70 countries with Nexus ceremonies. So the current learnings I had was how to apply prioritization technique based on P&L analysis, which allows me to clarify product strategy about the economic priority in what key customer persona prioritize segment and core use cases. Second, how to apply analysis techniques based on SQL to explore and enrich data sets that identify actually customer pain points as simple to launch an MVP dashboard as output of automation process and visualization of analytics and using ELT process between data producers and consumers, as well as how to simplify the onboarding process that impact the onboarding conversion ratio through 60 usability tests. The other one was an e-learning marketplace project performed by two e-learning platforms with product feed and reflection with hundreds of monthly visits. So about the challenge here was how to better monetize and transition from the traditional payment model to a subscription one, and how to grow. So about my key learnings here were how to centralize knowledge by closing the gaps of organizational silos and minimize the CAC through go-to-market strategy based on product growth by beginning, for example, by facilitating agile workshops with customer journey focus. The second one was how to identify what constitutes premium value for a buyer persona through Mantis analysis service. Third one was how to apply tactics that amplify a premium value with marketing team to expand functionality of core use cases. The other one was how to optimize a pricing plan with price-sensitive analysis survey based on range of acceptable prices. And finally, how to appeal to a scrappy solution to iterate to acquire a new segment integrating pro analysis and interviews. Other project was me as a pro leader in a startup marketplace with more than 1,000 sellers and 5 business areas. So the challenge was solving a situation of maximum uncertainty after the exit of a startup and bio corporate. So we have to achieve the increase of sales by 3 times through marketplace on organic and paid channel by optimizing conversion rates and improving recurrence price. And addressing product and infrastructure or scaling challenge was part 2. 3 key learnings were how to prioritize the initiative maximum value in the next 2 quarters to earn buy-in from the stakeholders and executives through a trust model I developed. Second, how to orchestrate design and development teams that achieve faster time to market and features with high adoption with two-track model and iterate product discovery cycle with a data-driven enrollment. Thirdly, how to create levers to implement the experimentation program from initial growth team and triple the capacity to experiment by month. One interesting project I had was SaaS project management platform for insurance market. So one challenge was how to build an MVP, learn and iterate to attract early adopters. Well, in the middle of the go-to-market strategy based on my product growth learnings, I had to face with how to draw a positioning map. Attributes versus feature metrics to reinforce a differentiated value proposition in the medium term. And at the same time, how to build and iterate a marketable minimum viable product, balancing performance features with the 0-1 ones. And I had the opportunity to learn for how to launch an MVP using a structured qualitative validation mode and just be done taking the interview with my early adopters. Last but not least, I had the opportunity to learn about how to maximize the learning and minimize cost acquisition, testing, support calls by launching a minimal viable feature with using a failure technique.